Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have discussed the problems of circles, and today we are going to solve or get the parabola equations, right? The parabola is a part of the conic section. What we have discussed, if we have a cone, inverted cone, both the cones are inverted like this one, that is the second cone, the same, that is generator. We have discussed this one, this is generator we have. And if I cut this one, the cone, like by a plane or by a knife, or like if I have any vegetable like this one, if you cut radish like this one and two radish, if I like see this is the radish, if I cut this radish like here and this one, and then inverted all these radius, then if I cut this one for the salad like this one, we cut in such angles so that this upper part will not cut simultaneously, the same thing, by same this, then if it cut like this, we get this one, we get, if I cut like this one, we get the shape of like this one, this shape, and this line to infinity, this line to infinity, and we get like this, that much. If you extend these two things, we can extend it to infinity. So that part, that is the part, the outer line, this one, that is the path which we are getting, that is called parabola. The parabola means for the throwing. If I throw this chalk upward direction or any direction like this one or this one, so we get what? We get the path of this. The path, that means the path of this chalk is like this one. See, or like this one, right? See, this is this one, like this here. So this path, that path, this of the chalk, when I throw this one, this path is called parabola, right? All right. So this I'm throwing this one, you get this one. If I throw this, you get this one. Or like this one. If I throw it very long, so that we get this one. These all paths are called parabola. That is parabola for mathematics. Now, see this one. The parabola which we get throwing a ball or you cut the cone, then here the mathematical definition says if the path of an object like it is always the equal distance from a fixed point and from a fixed line. The path of object like that, if it is always equidistant from a fixed point and a fixed line. So that means, see this one, if I have a point, I have a point, this is fixed point, right? This is, I call this is fixed point, right? And the object path, if I throw the ball, the path is this one here, and this point has a distance from like this is P, and like this is right, this is right, I'm just writing this is A and this is B. So the distance of B from fixed point is AB, and this point has a distance from a line, like this is from AB and this is C point. This is C point. The distance BC is equal to BA, and if I draw a line, this is line. This is draw a line. This is line. And the path of object, if the second times is point here and then here, then like this, the path is moving like this one. I just represent like this one. Yeah, yeah. So then the object, this is perpendicular distance and this is distance. This is perpendicular distance, this is distance, the distance and the distance, right? See this one, distance, and see here, this is distance, yeah, this one. So what we get, if I join these all points, the path, rasta, that is path, the object like this one, here. So that path is called parabola. That path, the path of object is called parabola. We call it parabola. And this fixed point is called, that is focus. Focus. That is called focus. And the fixed line, we call it directrix. I was giving the name. If it is name is not a directrix, then name is any other thing. In Hindi that is niyata. So then we call it other things. But the important is not the name of this line. Important is that line. The line is directrix, and it the path of object. This is one. If I put hand on that point, so that means it is distance from this one, the fixed line, and equal to this from focus. So that is called focus, that is directrix, and that is parabola. And the important thing is the distance from the directrix, that means so-called fixed line, that is so this is fixed line, is always perpendicular distance. So I am talking about the perpendicular distance. Or in this case we are not talking about this perpendicular way, right? See, that is a point. It is not perpendicular to the distance from the directrix is not perpendicular to always this one distance from the focus. So now let the point, there is infinite point, this is pxy. Let the point is pxy. Here this is point is, we write this is axis of parabola. If I write this one, this is x dash, x dash, and the line which is passes through this one from where the axis of x-axis meeting this one, we call it this is y-axis, not from A. This is y-axis. Now see the distance A, and I was writing this is L and this is M. So now this Lm is equal to Al. According to definition of the parabola which we have discussed, so that is Lm is equal to Al. And let the point of A, this is on x-axis, this is let the point is let A comma 0. Right, this is A comma 0. And here this is minus A comma 0, this is point we have. If it is minus A comma 0, then this is point A. Now write down this is Lm is equal to Am. This is Lm Am we have. Oh yeah, we can write this is AP is equal to P. This is N, Pn. AP is equal to Pn. Right? This is AP is equal to Pn. And the Pn distance, this is here. The point is this is minus A comma the y. This is y. Let I get this is perpendicular distance is y. This is A comma minus A comma y. Now get this is AP. This is AP is y minus 0 whole square plus x minus this is my A whole square is equal to Pn. We have this is under root y minus y square and plus x minus A whole square. Right, squaring both sides, we get this is y square plus x square plus a square minus 2ax, and this is y square, y minus y 0, this is 0 square, and this is x plus a, this is x square, this is plus a square plus 2ax. Right, now a square and square cancel out, and y square, x square, this is x square cancel out. We have y square minus 2ax is equal to 2ax. and then y square is equal to 4ax. This y square is equal to 4ax is called the equation of parabola, where a is this is the distance of focus, and this is x and y are lie on the parabola. So this is focus distance from this origin, where this is called vertex, and where the x-axis and y-axis meet with the parabola. Y-axis meet with the parabola, and the line which is passes through the focus, that line is called axis of the parabola. Thank you, students. Thank you. Next session we will solve some more problems. Thank you.